Good morning. Hey, Scentsy fans. Look, I just wanted to, like I promised a couple days ago, I don't know what it is about days getting away from me lately. I just wanted to unbox the March Warmer of the Month. And I guess on a Monday, on the first day of the month, it might not be a bad time to do that. So here we go. Are you ready? It's pretty exciting. It's kind of different, and well, I'll show you how it's different. Let's see. I don't want to. Yeah, I'll do it this way. I don't want to put the cover up in your face. I'm actually opening it in my office. I don't know that I've opened one in my office before, although I haven't done this too many times. And my goal is to do it more often. So when I get the Warmer of the Month, it comes with the scent of the month, and this month's scent of the month is called Pink Sugarberry, Sugarberry Mint. I thought I said it wrong for a sec. It's not strawberry. That's what I wanted to call it for a second. Definitely minty. You can smell the mint. It's been popular so far. I've had a couple people get the sample just locally when I dropped off an order. And so it says raspberry is delightfully dusted with sugar and the sweetest hint of peppermint. So it's pretty delish. So if you want a sample of that, let me know. And if you ordered recently, you'll get a sample with your order. Perks. And so I get 9 bars of these when I order the Warmer and Scent of the Month. And I get some rub and sniff stickers. One's missing, but it doesn't come like that. And I get a room spray. I love room sprays. As you may have heard, I never end up using the whole thing. They last forever. And I get a little tester that if you do a party on the go, or when we can meet together again in person, I use for my together parties. So here's the dish that's going to go in the warmer to melt the wax. A little hinty hint. And let's get rid of this part. Holds the dish. And I'm going to keep you in suspense for just a second. I'm going to get rid of the box. Or not. Actually, you know what? I'm going to keep it here because I will set it on top of the box so you can see better. I think many of you are going to really like this. So technically it's, hey Sue, good morning. Technically it's an element warmer, which means that it doesn't have a light bulb, but those of you who don't like to change the bulb and all that jazz, this has a cool element warmer feature. Oh, you can see it there, peekaboo. What a cool warmer for spring, right? For March. And this coolness factor of this element warmer, it actually lights up. I know, right? Element warmers don't usually light up, but it has. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Oh, my coaching days just came up. I just heard that song. Are you ready? Anyway, squirrel moment. Ready? Are you ready? It lights up. So it has an LED in it. So you can't change it. I know lately with all our new colored bulbs, that's a coolness factor of changing and such. But I think it looks so pretty. And like I said, it has the elements, so you don't need to change anything. So you just got this beautiful bird with its nest where you keep the eggs, also known as the Scentsy wax. And it's really beautiful, huh? Let me see if I can get it up a little closer for you. Really lots of detail. It reminds me of I think it's our Who warmer, right? All white and lots of detail with the feathers and such. So if you're a bird watcher or you like birds and such, I was telling my team the other day, my husband who's in his 50s and all of a sudden he's become a bird watcher. He's the ultimate like guy kind of thing, like tough guy. So we have this conversation at our house. He's like, whoever thought I'd be a bird watcher and such, but it's a great pastime, right? And so he's buying different types of bird seed and whatever to get different types of birds to come to our house, and they're so beautiful. So anyway, so I think that you really like this, and it's really low maintenance, right? And the other thing, if you haven't used, they may be on back order right now. Do I have them handy? I don't think I have them handy to show you, but if you haven't used our cotton pads for your wax cleanup, they're very easy to soak up the wax when changing it. Or I just use, if I'm out of the cotton pads, I use cotton balls, right? So when the wax is liquid, dip them in to soak up the wax, and then either throw them away or use them for fire starters. That's really helpful. And that's nice too, nice and easy. So anyway, I hope you're having, apparently I need another cup of coffee. I hope you're having a fantastic start to your week. Happy Monday. Here at my Scentsy land here, my Scentsy office, I'm starting off March in a big way because we have a new incentive. So I am excited about earning all kinds of fun things. Like they're going to have new Scentsy, hey Julie, they're going to have like Scentsy Converse sneakers, and I'm like, what? Pumped up kicks, I want those. So isn't that pretty? I was like, wow, I gotta light that up because it's beautiful, right? So they're starting off a new incentive, which will be fun. I like to just, I don't know, I love friendly competition. I just like to whatever. So that'll be fun, and lots of new things for March are coming out. Our Bitty Buddies that we had around for Christmas, they have Easter ones, like with little floppy bunny ears and stuff, so that'll be fun. And our garden collection, so some really fun scents that will come in I can't remember what type of bag that is, so a fun little bag, and a new mini warmer that says, I think, Hope and Peace. Beautiful, lights up, and sort of like this color, but maybe an off-white. So all kinds of fun things for March, and then some cute buddies. They didn't say when those will be released, but I thought I saw Sebastian the Crab from, oh, I should know this, The Little Mermaid. I'm like, oh, that was out when my son Eric was born. My son Eric, no, he wasn't named after Prince Eric. I have a cousin named Eric who's my age. But anyway, happy coincidence, right? And the pig from Moana, that buddy is coming out sometime. And maybe even my most favorite, Lady and the Tramp buddies. Eek. And they have little magnetic noses that keep them like stuck together. And I'm like, OMG. So if you like buddies, or you have little ones that like buddies, that's going to be super fun. But yeah, it's just super exciting, and talk about a really fun way to start off the week, right? Just one of the many reasons I love my business. So anyway, have a wonderful day and an amazing week, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.